When you see this machine, it looks like none other on the market. It's simple, it's easy to use. I'm able to now use CAD software to draw my design and then use a G-code sender to take that design and output it directly to the CNC machine. Saved me a lot of time, and the accuracy is perfect.
I got a LongMill because I decided I needed to take my woodworking up another level. The LongMill changed things for me because it was like adding another employee to my shop, basically. Even though I'm not a business on it, I could actually draw something up on the program, run it on the machine, and I could be doing something else at the same time. So it was taking all the labor for me, doing all the work, and I could just take the results afterwards and clean it up and finish it off. So it's a time saver as well.
Instant gratification when you see the product come off of the machine, and you can see the even something as silly as Baltic birch plywood and making those coasters. Seeing the grain in the layers of the plywood underneath that are revealed was like, wow, who knew plywood could be so beautiful? When I saw what you were offering for the LongMill, I had to pick my jaw up off the floor. I couldn't believe what you were offering in a machine of this type. It just blew my mind. So it was, for me, it was an absolute no-brainer.
Hi, we're Andy and Chris, co-founders of Sienci Labs. Our goal has always been to make CNC more accessible, and that's really come down to pushing the boundaries of cost, simplicity, and performance for what a hobby-level CNC machine can do. We're excited to be back on Kickstarter to launch our biggest and most powerful machine we've built to date, the LongMill Benchtop CNC. The LongMill aims to be the perfect platform for the maker, woodworker, or engineer to start CNC milling. Alongside free and simple software, like our very own CAM lab, it's never been easier to go from design to carving.
We spent hundreds of hours of testing and 8 months of working with our beta testers to make the LongMill an awesome machine. And now we're ready to share it with the rest of the world by giving our manufacturers the green light to start production of our first batch of machines. So come join our Kickstarter campaign and help us to make CNC more accessible for everyone.